everyone, thanks for joining me on Tiny Talent Art Studio. Today we're going to be drawing this cool little sleepy sloth. What you're going to need is a black marker, something to color with, and a piece of paper. Just remember also to make sure to watch until the next step where I'll show you the exact colors that I'll be using to color in my creation. First, we're going to draw the shape of the sloth's head. Now his head's a bit sideways, okay, so we're going to start over here and the top part of his hair. All right. Now his head's a bit more like a square. So we'll go down and around and back up, okay? Great, let's keep going. Now we're gonna draw the inner part of his shape of his head. It goes down in the middle here and it goes back down and around, okay? So this part goes up and down, if you wanna stop. And then you can do the same thing on this side. All right, great job. All right, let's do this gutless little sloth's eyes. We're gonna do his nose, just like that. And he has a sleepy mouth, so it's a big open sleepy mouth, just like that. And then we'll do his eyes, go like this and go like that. And then let's just do the little design around his eyes to make him look like a sloth. And the same on this side. Well done. All right, let's keep going. We're gonna do the top part of his body, okay? So it's one line. It's gonna go just above the eyes here, and it's gonna go and it's gonna swoop around and down to his leg, just like that. Well done. Now let's do this line, and this is gonna be his back leg, okay? So we're gonna go from about here, so just across from here, I'm gonna bring that down like that. And then we'll bring this line down and up like that. Okay? Well done. I'm gonna give him some claws. 1, 2, 3. And then let's keep going by drawing the front part of his arms, okay? So we're gonna do this part of his tummy is going up like that, okay? And then we're gonna do just here, we're gonna go round and down and back up like that. And follow that line. And then do some little claws on his hands there. Okay. And then let's do this side. That's his little hands. And 1, 2, 3. Well done. Okay, let's finish up by doing his back leg. It's hidden behind here, so it's 1 line, 2 lines, just like that. And then he has 3 claws. 1. If you ever need more time, just pause the video if you need to. All right, let's do our balloons, okay? So we're gonna do our balloons first, we'll add our strings in after. So just about to about there, you wanna go over here, you wanna draw the bottom part of the one balloon, okay? And there's one big heart. All right. And then the other heart is behind, so you have to just do a little part of it. Just like that. Back around, the bottom part and up. Great job to everyone. All right, let's finish this little sleeping sloth off by adding some strings, okay? All right, so let's do a line down, do a big tied bow like that, and then just do a few strings. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, it's wrapping around his tummy. He's floating away on his little sleepy balloons. All right, that's our sloth drawn. So let's color him in now. I'll show you step by step on the screen above the exact colors I'll be using, and I'll leave the name of the markers that I love in the description below. Otherwise, any markers or anything you have at home will do. All right, let's get coloring. Great, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today on Tiny Talent Art Studio and drawing this cool little sleeping sloth. See you next time. Bye.